Hi guys, so I want us Nalwena baby these people to tell you guys how we met abo qala wena ne. Bajwetse baby.
Summary, ne?
You can go, I don't know anything baby. Feel
There's
free now
there's no limit.
Yes,
We can
talk.
speak for days,
Yes now.
weeks, months,
Yes.
and years, okay.
I mean, hallelujah, preach man of God.
Oh, yes, Lord. So, how we met. There was a magnet within us, just pull us together, Right at the first moment we locked eyes and spoke. There was already attraction at its most intense level. You see, we had not even a chance to say, let's get to know each other. We were like, no, we'll know each other through falling deep into this thing called love. So we're still falling even right now because it's an endless abyss. There's no disturbance because it's just a free space, no limit to our love. We've done things that society may deem immoral, but I believe that you will take any risk to get what you really want.
How? Joining.
About risks. Yes, if you really want something, you'll go to whatever extent is needed to get that thing. So that's what she did, that's what I did. We did our best to be where we are right now. And we are enjoying our best, because the best is all that you can do, guys. Don't expect something from somebody when they are already delivering their best to you. Yeah, that's the number one rule to avoid conflict. Less expectations and more giving from both parties. Simple. You see? Come on. So that's how our love remains strong.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why next Saturday, babe?
What's Saturday?
Gary,
we are still falling deep. Falling deep means you're gonna keep knowing more, experiencing more. You see? Yeah, it's just that you've been doing it practically, just not processing it theoretically in your mind with words. Yeah.
Right. Nizwile, guys.
Yeah, when I see your side of the piece, how we met.
Okay, how we met. So, guys, we met. How? Not the way. How? Mag, how you kopana le wene? Le wene. Again, guys, my side of the story. And luckily, I said lead, so back a lot. So we met good Devin. It was. It's okay.
I remember the experience. So I remember how funny everything was on that day.
We met good Devin and we were on a cruise ship. Like in a little cruise ship thing. So now I sat ban and I went with my friends about. This guy. Come on, he was a DJ. DJ, guys.
On the decks. T-man on the decks.
Imagine DJ, and I see this thing at DJ Hore. DJs are loved by every girl. Yeah, they are busy. DJ, I could sound they sing, but not close and stuff. Not girl or shy. I was like, nah. So, guys, if you want to book him, I'll leave his numbers in the comment section. He's a DJ. He's DJ Spororo.
Yeah, because I was saying some Sporo. train is smooth. It's only like a train. Fast Maracas, if you speed that thing, you just feel like you're cruising. That's the kind of ride I take through to you with my music. Thank you.
Bye guys. We'll talk about this next time, sharp.